Is your Copilot Studio agent hitting a complexity wall? Standard tools are perfect for easy starts, but they struggle when real-world data gets messy or the tasks get tough. It's time to break through those limits. This course is your bridge to professional-grade AI power. We'll show you exactly how to supercharge your agent's memory with Azure AI Search and completely upgrade its brain with specialized models from Azure AI Foundry. Don't settle for basic bots when you can unlock unlimited potential. Dive into the full course right now and start building smarter. Microsoft Copilot Studio is fantastic for low-code makers looking to build bots quickly using built-in models. It's great for common tasks, but eventually you might hit a complexity wall when dealing with massive or intricate data. You see, standard knowledge connectors act a bit like messy, basic filing cabinets, relying only on simple keyword matching. This often leads to frustrated bots giving irrelevant answers because they miss the nuances of your information. The solution is bridging the gap to professional-grade Azure AI services. By moving to the Azure AI search engine, you gain granular control over how your data is indexed. It understands context and structure, ensuring your agent delivers high-quality, relevant answers every time. To understand why Azure AI Search is such a significant upgrade, we must grasp vector indexing. Traditional search relies on rigid keyword matching. If you search for automobile repair, it might completely miss relevant documents containing car maintenance simply because the exact words don't match. Vector indexing changes this paradigm by mapping meaning. An AI embedding model turns text into complex numerical coordinates on a multidimensional map. Concepts with similar meanings cluster tightly together, allowing the system to find answers based on your intent rather than just exact phrases. Azure AI Search uses these sophisticated indexes to perform RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. It retrieves the most relevant chunks of data and uses them to augment a prompt sent to a large language model, generating much higher quality responses. Before connecting this to Copilot Studio, you need several foundational Azure resources in place: an account for billing, storage for your raw documents, the search service engine itself, and an open AI embedding model to handle the translation into vectors. Once your prerequisites are ready, creating an intelligent index happens within the Azure portal. While often done by developers, it's a relatively guided process using the Import and Vectorize Data Wizard, designed to help build your RAG pattern. First, you define the data source. You must tell the search service exactly where your information lives, specifically pointing it to the Azure Blob Storage container holding your raw PDF documents. Next is the most crucial step, vectorization. Here, you select the translator, your deployed Azure OpenAI embedding model. This model's job is to convert your text into conceptual numbers. Keep in mind, this requires significant computational power and will incur costs. Finally, after reviewing your settings, the real work happens behind the scenes. Azure pulls your documents, feeds them through the model to generate vector coordinates, and organizes everything into a sophisticated, searchable knowledge repository, ready for your agent to query. Up until now, the heavy lifting happened in Azure, the professional developer's territory. To bridge the gap back to the low-code environment of Copilot Studio, we must tell the agent to use our new super-powered index as its source of truth. To secure this connection, an administrator first copies two vital pieces of information from the Azure portal: the endpoint URL, which is the web address, and the API key, which acts as the secure password. Next, the maker moves into Copilot Studio. In the agent settings under the Knowledge tab, they select Add New Knowledge and choose the Azure AI Search option. They simply paste in those credentials to create the connection. Once validated, a secure tunnel is established. Now, when a user asks a complex question, the agent uses sophisticated vector search through that tunnel to find conceptually relevant information and delivers a precise answer. The agent's brain has been officially upgraded. By default, Copilot Studio agents use a general-purpose managed brain provided by Microsoft. It's safe, updated, and great right out of the box for common tasks. But when you need more power, you can upgrade to Azure AI Foundry and bring your own model. This hub offers specialized brains for things like legal jargon or deep reasoning. This gives you immense flexibility, but remember, It shifts the responsibility for managing costs and AI safety back to you. You can apply these specialized models just where they are needed. For instance, a general model might fail at complex medical claims analysis, but if you connect a specialized chain-of-thought reasoning model using an API key, it succeeds perfectly. Ultimately, extending with Azure AI is a powerful paradigm shift. It combines low-code ease with pro-code capabilities, provided you are ready to manage pay-as-you-go costs and implement responsible AI guardrails. Copilot Studio is perfect for quick starts, but you will eventually hit a complexity wall using its standard keyword-based tools. This course showed how to cross the Azure AI bridge to access professional-grade power. We upgraded the agent's knowledge using Azure AI Search for smarter, vector-based results. And we brought in specialized custom brains from Azure AI Foundry to handle complex tasks. Just remember, this power requires collaboration between makers and developers, careful management of pay-as-you-go costs, and a commitment to responsible AI. The result is truly powerful, intelligent agents.